Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Banking Hatke. In this video of reasoning, we will be learning how to approach miscellaneous questions with minimum time and 100% accuracy. So, in this video, we will solve direction based questions, blood relation questions, and ranking based questions. So, let's start our video. Okay, the first question is based on direction sense. The question given says point A is 5 meter east of point B, which is 8 meter north of point C, which is 4 meter east of point D. Next, E is 4 meter south of point D. Point E is 4 meter east of point F, which is 8 meters south of point G, which is 5 meter west of point H. You can pause the video and try to solve by your own. It won't take much time. So I will be solving this. At first, I'm just drawing the directions. This one is north, this one is south, this one is east, and this one is west. So since all the points are interrelated, so I will be started with the very first line. So it is given that point A is 5 meter east of point B. So if this is point B, 5 meter east of this is A, which is 8 meter north of point C, which means B. B is 8 meter north of point C. Now C is 4 meter east of point D. C is 4 meter east of point D. Now next it is given E is 4 meters south of point D. Therefore E is this point 4 meter. This is its distance is 4 meter, and point E is 4 meter east of point F. So this is point F. This is also 4 meter, which is 8 meters south of G. That is F is 8 meters south of G. So if we draw this, since 4 from this and 4 from this one, so this would be position for G. And next it is given, which is that is G is 5 meter west of point H. Therefore 5 meter east of G we will get H. Since this much is 4, so this much is 1 meter. At last we have to find the direction of point H with respect to D. So from this diagram we can see this direction of H is northeast. Therefore northeast is our answer. Now next move on to our next question. This question is based on blood relations. The question says there are 7 members in a family which has 2 married couples. P is father-in-law of R who has 2 children. U is maternal uncle of T who is a female. P has 2 children. S is a male member. V is not mother of S. There is no single parent in the family. So we can start from the starting of this question. For this question, for solving this question, I'm taking this box as male and this symbol, circle symbol, as female. So at first it is given that P is father-in-law of R. Therefore P is father-in-law of R. R could be male or female, we don't know. Who has 2 children? That is R has 2 children. Now U is maternal uncle of T who is a female. Therefore T is a female whose mother's brother is U. Next, P has 2 children. P has 2 children, this one and another one. S is a male member and V is not mother of S. So this much information is given. Where can we put this information? We can put this information at this place. This is T. T's mother's brother is U. Therefore R would be a male. S is male and V is not mother of S. Therefore, V couldn't be in this place. So V could be in this place since no single parents are there. Therefore, position for S would be this one, and the remaining one, that is Q, is this one. Now we have to find how Q is related to R. Therefore, Q is wife of R. So this is the solution. Now next, move on to our next question. Our next question is based on order and ranking. So the question says 7 persons A through G secure different ranks based on different marks in a test. No two persons obtain same rank. Difference in the marks of persons whose ranks are consecutive is at most 5 marks. So this is very important line. Next, it is given that B and D secured 61 and 45 marks respectively. G secures better rank than B. Okay, next, since we know that B secures 61 rank and D secures 45 rank, therefore B is definitely secure better rank than D. Next, it is given that E secures better rank than C, who secures better rank than F. A. Sorry, it's A. Next, it is given that F secures less than 50 marks and C secures less than 54 marks. A doesn't secure the worst rank and F doesn't secure the second lowest mark. So we can use these conditions. At first I'm making the arrangement. Okay, since it is given that B secures 61 marks and D secures 45 marks, difference between their marks is 16, and in our question it is given that at most 5 marks could be there. Therefore, if we take all the marks as 5, then also we have 4 ranks between this B and D. Therefore, G, after that somewhere B placed, and after 3 persons of B, D is placed. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, we are left with one position, so this could be this one or this one. Now we have to put the remaining conditions. It is given that E is greater than C is greater than A, the rank of these ones. Now it is given that C secures rank less than 54, okay, and F secures rank less than 50. Therefore, F's rank is after C. Therefore, F ranks somewhere this position, but F couldn't be at this position since F couldn't be the second last person. Now if we put F in this position and A this position, this is also not possible since A couldn't be the worst rank holder. So what could be the possibility? So this type of possibility is not possible. So what is other way? G has scored the maximum marks, after that B is there, and after that, after 3 persons of B, D's position should be there. Now E is greater than A, C, and A's rank is greater than A. So this could be possible if we place this E, C and A at this position. So the remaining one, this would be the position for F. Now the marks of B and D are given. So this is our final arrangement. So hope you find this video helpful. Do subscribe to Banking Hatke to get more such videos. I have already uploaded videos regarding these puzzles, so you can check that playlist also. Thank you.